is a purple color. This is a light pink color. This is a orange color. This is a sky blue color. This is a brown color. And this is a yellow color. I learned lowercase letter P to Z. Let's draw and paint. Small letter P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint. Purple color. Small letter P. P for pig. S for snail. V for rain. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Light pink color. Q for queen. T for tiger. W for watermelon. Orange color. R for rabbit. U for unicorn. And X for Xmas tree. Let's repeat learn. Small letter P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.